Which anti-spy detector is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, DroneWing AI Hidden Camera Detector. The DroneWing AI Hidden Camera Detector. Priced at $31.99, this portable device caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive features. If you want peace of mind while traveling or working, this is worth a serious look. This detector has 4 modes that help you find hidden cameras, GPS trackers, and more. It works by detecting wireless signals and uses infrared to spot pinhole cameras. With a wide range of detection from 100 MHz to 8 GHz, you'll feel secure knowing it covers a lot of ground. The device's 5 adjustable sensitivity levels let you customize how sensitive it is based on your environment, which is super helpful whether you're in a hotel or an office. Plus, its compact size makes it easy to carry around, weighing just 24 grams. Now, some people mention that the battery life could be better. While it offers 25 hours of continuous use after a 2.5-hour charge, it might not be enough for back-to-back travels. Here's the thing though, for most casual users, this isn't a deal breaker. It's still ideal for short trips. This is perfect for you if you travel frequently or want to check your office for hidden devices. Skip this one if you need something with an extended battery life for longer trips. Overall, it provides excellent value for the price. Now, if the battery life was a concern for you, the next one might take a different approach. Product number 2, Fibator 6-in-1 Hidden Camera Detector. The Fibator 6-in-1 Hidden Camera Detector, which is priced at $29.98. This caught my attention with its all-in-one capability for various hidden devices. If you want a comprehensive solution for your privacy, this is definitely worth considering. The Fibator can detect cameras, listening devices, and GPS trackers, making it a versatile tool for total privacy coverage. It has 6 sensitivity levels, which means you can start broad and then narrow down to pinpoint specific threats. This feature is particularly useful when you're not sure what's lurking around you. With both audible and vibration alerts, it keeps you informed without drawing unwanted attention. However, some users found the sensitivity settings a bit confusing at first. It takes a little practice to get used to, so if you're not tech savvy, it might feel overwhelming initially. But once you get the hang of it, it works exceptionally well. This is perfect for you if you're often in public spaces or travel frequently. Skip this one if you prefer something with a simpler operation. Overall, it's a fantastic option for the price. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something more user-friendly.
Product number 3, Abili Upgraded Hidden Camera Detector. We have the Abili Upgraded Hidden Camera Detector at $39.99. This device stood out with its advanced AI-powered detection. If you want a reliable and straightforward way to protect your privacy, this is a great choice. This detector uses military-grade technology to find hidden cameras and listening devices with amazing accuracy. It's incredibly easy to use. Just turn it on and sweep your area. The audible alarms and LED alerts notify you of any threats without needing technical know-how. It's compact and travel-ready, so you can take it anywhere, which adds to its convenience. One drawback noted by users is that the device can sometimes give false alarms in certain environments. While this can be frustrating, it's important to remember that false positives mean it's actively scanning for threats, a minor trade-off for added security. This is perfect for anyone looking for quick and effective privacy protection while traveling. Skip this one if you want something with more advanced features. Overall, its ease of use makes it worth the investment. If you need a bit more versatility in detection, let's look at the next product.
Product number 4, Earwire RTYK Hidden Camera Detector. The Earwire RTYK Hidden Camera Detector, priced at $31.99. This one grabbed my attention with its infrared capabilities and built-in anti-theft alarm. If you want a device that doubles as a security system, this is a solid pick. This detector not only scans for hidden cameras, but also features an anti-theft alarm mode. If someone tries to open your door while you're asleep, it will alert you instantly. The infrared scan is particularly impressive, revealing hidden lenses in dark spaces, which is a feature you'll appreciate in unfamiliar hotels. Plus, its wide-area wireless scan helps you cover larger spaces quickly, making it efficient. However, some users mention that the alarm is a bit too sensitive, triggering with minor movements. While this might annoy some, it's a key feature for those who want to feel completely secure. This is perfect for anyone who values multiple security features in one device. Skip this one if you don't want extra alarm systems to deal with. Overall, it strikes a good balance between functionality and price. Now, if you're looking for something even lighter and more portable, check out the last product on our list.
Product number 5, Nylon AI Hidden Camera Detector. We have the Nylon AI Hidden Camera Detector at just $22.99. This caught my eye because it's incredibly lightweight and user-friendly. If you want something that's easy to carry around and still effective, this is definitely worth considering. This device offers 5 adjustable sensitivity levels, making it easy for anyone to use. You can cover up to 30 square meters, which is impressive. The operation is simple enough for beginners, just a press of a button to scan for hidden devices. It's perfect for quick checks in hotels or offices, allowing you to feel secure without any complicated setup. One downside is that it doesn't have Wi-Fi or Bluetooth functionality, focusing solely on detecting surveillance signals. This might not work for users looking for a multifunctional device, but for simpler needs, it's a great tool. This is perfect for those who want an ultra-portable option for everyday use. Skip this one if you need advanced features like Wi-Fi detection. Overall, it's a fantastic value for anyone wanting a straightforward solution. To wrap everything up, we've looked at some great options today. The Drone Wing offers solid features for travel, while the Fibac door provides all-in-one detection capabilities. The Abeille delivers ease of use, and the ERYTRDK adds security features. Finally, the Nylon covers the basics with excellent portability. Each has its strengths, so choose based on what fits your lifestyle best.
To wrap everything up, we've looked at some great options today. The Drone Wing offers solid features for travel, while the Fibac door provides all-in-one detection capabilities. The Abeille delivers ease of use, and the ERYTRDK adds security features. Finally, the Nylon covers the basics with excellent portability. Each has its strengths, so choose based on what fits your lifestyle best.